Welcome to our new lecture. In this lecture, we will do practically what we have learned in our previous lecture. For reminder, we have done some theory regarding the data preparation for SAP Analytics Cloud in modeling. So let's go straight to the system and do practically what were the steps like we have learned and how to remove duplicates, how to do formatting on the data, and how to adjust values regarding the data. So then we will have some precise and very clean data for our modeling. So let's move to the system and call the option modeler. Now click on the create new, start with data. After that, as you know, we are importing data from our Google Drive file. So I select Google Drive. Now it will ask for two options, Google account and Google Sheet URL. If you are using Google Sheet, you can give the URL of your Google Sheet. Otherwise, you will have to create the connection with your Google account by using the create new connection, and then you will have your connection in this list. As I have created my connection already with my email, so I select SK Google and then click on the next button. After that, it will redirect to my Google Drive. So these are the folders and files of my Google Drive. Now here I will select my file, CSV file, SAC data preparation example, and then click on the next button and then next button. So then it will import, it will get all the data of my CSV file to SAP Analytics Cloud. It's working. Here it is. Now we have uh, we have clearly assigned that the dimension and the measure are showing separately based on the clear type of my CSV file column. Let's uh, uh, let's go to the next step. So then we will prepare our data. So after finalizing measure and dimension, because we don't have to add any new measure and we don't require any new dimension in this stage, so we will move to further by clicking on the save button. After saving button, it will ask that what is the name you want to assign to your model. So I will select I will give it sales, and then final 25. I select the name and then paste into the description. Now click on the save button. Our data model is going to be saved. So then we will move forward to our next step for data wrangling and prepare our data according to our requirement. So let's click on the data management and click on the job which already created. Now click on the setup import option and then rerun query. First time mostly the message arrive because it's cannot get all the data in one go and very rapidly. So it will always show this message that unfortunately it can't be done. Here it is. Now as we have click again, so the message has been appeared that the SAC data has been uh, imported has been retrieved. So I will click on the again on setup import after getting my desired message in the green color. So here it is. Now, as you are seeing that all of our column, date, region, product, revenue, quantity, and discount are showing here. So this is a stage of prepare data, which is our focus step in this video. So we can do formatting by clicking on the we can make duplicate column, we can make transformation of our date column according to our format. Also for we can do we can remove the duplicate, and we also replace our value with the value which have the which don't have any precise value, like if the revenue have the value of 0, mean it's no revenue is present here, we can replace some value from our from the 0 values. So then our data will be will give the good analytics when we go analysis based on this model. So let's first select the revenue column and then click on the transformation. Here it is. Now there are, when I click on the transformation, it didn't it is asking, it is giving me the option of replace and the option of filter. Now I have to replace the value, so I click on the replace. So the SAC automatically give my equation for replacing some value from the specific value. So it's giving the replace number in revenue matching value with value. So I have to remove the value which have the zero value, and then I have to replace the value with the 1000. But before this, let's find out which the value the which record have the zero value. So I scroll it down, scroll it down, scroll it down, scrolling. Where is the revenue? Where is the revenue which have the zero value? So here it is. The record number 185 has a zero revenue. So I just have to replace this with the value of 1000. So now you are seeing that the value in green is automatically replacing wherever the value of revenue is 0. It will replace with the value of 1000. As you seeing that the record number 195 will also replace record number 203 will also have the value of 1000 revenue, and so on. So if we want to commit, if we want to fix this this condition for all records, we have to click on the OK button. Here it is. Now SAC is replacing our desired value from the selected record which have the revenue value 0. Here it is, transform successful. It means that the transform has been successful. Our desired value has been replaced to all the records, like check the record number 203. Here it is. Now you can see the record number 203 and the record number 195 has the value 1000 with the replacement of 0 value.